Lesson 6. Noun as name of an idea. Peace be with you. I'm Rodolfo Martin Vitancol. In this video, I will present to you noun as name of an idea. Nouns that name an idea are abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are those things that are incapable of being seen, touched, felt, or smelled, meaning they have no physical existence. Abstract nouns that can refer to beliefs or concepts. Examples: democracy, existentialism, symbolism, communism, philosophy, psychology, chemistry, education. Abstract nouns that can refer to measurements. Examples: weight, kilo, gram, size, shape, number. Abstract nouns can refer to time, days, and months. Examples: afternoon, morning, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Abstract nouns can refer to weather. Examples: winter, spring, summer, autumn. Abstract nouns can refer to emotions. Examples: love, hatred, jealousy, sadness, fear, anger, surprise, disgust, anxiety, nervousness, happiness, depression. Abstract nouns can refer to qualities. Examples: responsibility, honesty, integrity, dependability, humor, enthusiasm, sincerity, confidence, softness. Abstract nouns can refer to state of being. Examples: strength, weakness, power, firmness, poverty, oppression, helplessness, sickness, disease, health, success, failure. Quiz. This is a 20-item set of questions to test your understanding about this lesson on Noun as name of an idea. Instruction: write down on a piece of paper only the nouns that refer to ideas or abstract things. Example: as a player, before his move, he always showed skill and enthusiasm. Answer: move, skill, enthusiasm. Player is also a noun, but since it is not an abstract noun, it should not be included in the answer. The questions. You may pause the video after each question to write down your answer. If you don't want to see the answers as yet, pause the video right now. The next frame reveals the answers to the questions. You have 5 seconds to decide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answers. You may pause the video after each number to check your answer. the Simplified English Grammar Program. This program is presented in a most progressive way, meaning it is proceeding step by step in logical sequence that if you jump over any of the steps, you will find difficulty in understanding what is being taught in the lesson you have jumped into. Therefore, if you are a newcomer to this channel and a first-timer in learning the English grammar, it is advisable that you start the program from the very beginning, that is, from lesson 1. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and God bless. Mabuhay!